Good morning, sunshine. Good morning, sunshine. Ooh, it's barely after 8 o'clock in the morning. It is 32 degrees. I feel like I look like Randall. Deep bass. Well, 32 degrees is colder than snot. And the plumbers are here. Blah. Blah. Whew. I can't feel my fingers. Shane can't feel his legs. Whew. Let's take a trip around the backyard and see what let's go sneak up on the plumber and see what he's doing. Let the gators hit the floor. Let's go sneak up on the plumber. You know how plumbers and stuff like to be on camera. Let's be real quiet. We're gonna sneak up on this fella. I can hear him back here. Ooh. There he is. Are you trying to find it?
Yeah.
Cool, man. All right. Panther plumbing.
Yeah.
Wow, that's more than 15 inches.
That's a lot more than 15 inches.
Wow, I don't know why they buried it so deep. I guess they had to get that drop to it, didn't they?
Yeah.
Wow.
The hollow on it.
And I built this little shed right on top of the clean out right there. That ain't helping. Wow. 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 Well, all right, boys. Got a little plumbing action going on this morning. Whew. I tell you, in just 24 hours difference, look at these trees now, man. They are completely yellow. Won't be another day or two before the leaves are all gone and I can cut them down. Yes. Well, y'all hang with, boys. We're gonna find something else to talk about and do today. Let the plumbers do their job. Y'all be good. Y'all hang with. Well, a few hours later, and we're back up to almost 50 degrees out here, boy. I can take the old bogging off. Let's go around here and check the progress of the plumber. Check the progress. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Yeah, he replaced that entire cast iron pipe coming out of under the house. His house has got to be 70, 80 years old. And let's see what he's done here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All new drain pipe. Hooks right there. Right there. Well, I built that shed right on top of that clean out. And I gotta walk all the way around the house because of this fence. I'm fixing to be on the other side of this fence. Let's take a walk to the wild side. Watch out for the trees, boy. Ooh. Ooh. I guess Shane ought to be getting about done up there in Ohio right now. Let's walk around. Walk around. Boy, can you tell I'm caught up and kind of bored around here? It's kind of nice, really. Panther plumbing, boys. Panther plumbing. Well, I love that van. Boy, I need one of those. Yeah, I can use one of them. Yeah, let's see what we got here. I want to show you guys something. Never, even as careful as you are, never pour grease down the sink. This is the pipe coming from the kitchen sink. Look at that. All the way down. Completely caked in grease. Ooh. Completely. How's it going down there, fellers?
Oh, she's gone.
I do what?
She's gone.
You're done?
No, she's gone.
Well, you need to stay about another hour or two.
Yeah, make it look good.
Let's go check it out. Oh man, that's nice.
Yeah, she's coming. See, I measured to the top of the floor, top of the pipe, and then go over there and measure from the top of the floor to the bottom of the hub. I'll be able to put our measurements together from that.
This is where I come to hide to make moonshine. I got my steel sitting over there on the cross. Y'all just don't tell nobody. So what I'm gonna do is, after y'all leave, I guess I'm gonna go up there and take that trap off the kitchen sink and clean it out. That little double grease trap kind of thing under there.
P-trap, yeah.
Yeah, I need to clean that out. And you said just run some bunch of boiling water.
Yeah, get a couple, your biggest pots, fill them with water, boil them up real good.
Yeah.
Dump them down there, run some soap in it behind it.
Well, y'all are about done, ain't you?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you said you was done.
No, I said it was going.
Oh, it's going. I thought you said you was done.
Now we're getting to the more technical stuff now.
Okay, cool, man. Yeah, that big line right there comes from the washing machine.
Oh, okay.
Because it just goes up the floor right in there, and it catches the waste vent stack, and the washing machine hooks in. But I don't know where that big 4-inch pipe's coming from. I guess it's coming from the vent stack, I guess.
Yeah, it must be. Here, Riley. Oh, spider webs.
Well, let's get out of here. My knees are killing me. Woo. All right, fellers. More to come. Well, all right there, boys. Looks like the plumber's done. Let's go check his work. Shoot, I'm happy now, and we discovered a little secret while they were doing this job. Here I am taking credit for their work here. But I can't tell you what I can't tell you what the big old surprise is, because I can't say it over the internet. What we discovered, that's really good news for me. Let's get back here and look what we got done. Yeah. There's a hurricane blowing. New pipe coming out right there. Got all that buried. I gotta get some more dirt or something. Bury it real good. I gotta get some spray foam and seal off that big hole now. But man, I tell you what. Whole new pipe. Whole new pipe. Now let's go into the house and I'll show you what all he did there. Well, I tell you, so far, man, I got a whole brand new supply line from the street, a new water heater, new house filtration system, and like I said, he replaced all that piping from the kitchen sink too, with all that grease in it. Got to get rid of that grease. Don't flush grease down the sink. Don't do it. All right, let's walk around here and see what we got. See what we got. A big old muddy mess. Okay. I try to leave them guys alone. I know, being in the service industry like that, you trying to do a job like this, homeowners always around hovering on you, won't leave you alone. I try not to be that person. You know, like if you're cutting somebody's grass, doing yard work, landscaping, the customer's like right there, what are you doing? You're like, leave me alone. All right, man, let's go in here and check it out. Look at that. All right. All new piping. Going out way back yonder. You can see the hole I showed you from the other side. And this is from the, well, let me get over here. Yeah, about tripped. This is coming from the kitchen sink. He replaced all that. He just cleaned it up. He just cleaned it up real good. Man, now I got all new sewage going out, fresh new water lines coming in, new water heater, filtration system. All right, let's see if we can make our way back at it. Oh, let me cut that. Oh, trip. Let's see, let me cut the slide off. All right. I want to quit coming under here. Every time I come under here, I find something wrong and it costs me thousands of dollars. Whew. Lock it up, lock it up. They've been across the street where Panther Plumbing moved into. That feller's been over there with a jackhammer and concrete saws on the side of the building. I'll show you. And I got to go over there and warn him, because nobody knows it but me now. Right behind that orange van, right on the side of the building. Working feverishly over there trying to dig up that ground, but there's a huge in-ground hydraulic lift we used to use for raising tractors and stuff, and he don't know it, nobody knows it, and he's over there cutting and jackhammering. He's going to hit one of them hydraulic lines or air lines going to it. We had that thing, they installed it back in '69. I know it ain't worked in several decades, but he's gonna hit that. He's gonna hit something under that dirt, under that slab. It's gonna cause a catastrophe. Ooh. Well, all right, boys and girls, I hope y'all enjoyed my nonsense today, because I've been caught up. I had one weed eater to work on. Made a few geese. Oh my goodness, y'all be good. I love each and every one of you. Thanks for watching my silliness. Yep. And remember, tomorrow, Friday, about 8 o'clock on DLT Lawn Care, there's going to be more silliness. I live for the silliness. Y'all be good, love you guys, and y'all be good.